Hello student, welcome all of you on our departmental YouTube channel. In last lecture we discuss on direction cosine, direction ratio and so on. And also projection of a point on the line and projection of line on x-axis, y-axis, z-axis or plane. We will discuss direction cosine of the join of 2 points. To find the direction cosine, this is a question. This may ask like this question. To find the direction cosine of the line joining the 2 points P of x1, y1, z1 and Q of x2, y2, z2. Suppose these are the any 2 points. These are any 2 points. This is P of x1, y1, z1 and this is Q of x2, y2, z2. These are any 2 points. And suppose after joining this we get 2 lines because 2 points determine a single line. So then we have to find the direction cosine of the line joining to this distinct point P of x1, y1, z1 and PQ of x2, y2, z2. So student, let the point L, M be the feet of the perpendicular drawn from the point PQ to the x-axis. Suppose these are the points P, Q and this is xy system and we draw the foot perpendicular like this P of x1, y1, z1 and Q of x2, y2, z2 and we draw this perpendicular. Okay, we draw this perpendicular, these and these two perpendiculars and L and M are the foots. Then this distance OX is nothing but x1 and this distance is x2, that is OM. So OL distance is x1 and OM distance is x2. So projection of the segment PQ. I have to find the projection of the segment PQ. So projection of segment PQ on x-axis nothing but this LM. No doubt. Projection of PQ is this LM. And what is the length of this LM? LM can be find out OM minus LM. That means x2 minus x1. Now, if LMN be the direction cosine of the given line PQ, this is the line PQ and whose direction cosines are LMN. Then the projection of the line PQ on the x-axis. If direction cosine are given, then cos theta into PQ. Cos theta into PQ is nothing but the projection of the line PQ on the x-axis. We can write in this form. But L into PQ, and what is L? L is okay, this is direction, this is a projection, but this L into PQ is equal to x2 minus x1. Therefore we compare this x2 minus x1. So similarly we can find projection of PQ on the y-axis and z-axis. This is on the y-axis, this is on the z-axis, isn't it? And if we take the see here this, so what is the PQ? So here we get PQ is equal to L upon x2 minus x1 divided by L. From this we can find PQ. PQ is y2 minus y1 upon M. And from this we can find PQ, and PQ is equal to Z2 minus Z1 upon N in this way. So PQ can be written as x2 minus x1 divided by L is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by M is equal to Z2 minus Z1 divided by N. A direction cosine of the line joining the points are proportional to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and Z2 minus Z1. Is it right? Yes, obviously. You consider this as a one question and such formula may be asked in MCQs. May be asked as MCQs question. So you try to repeat against once. Okay. So thank you. Today we stop it here. In next lecture, we will discuss on projection of line segment which is broken in various points or various small pieces. Thank you.